This is a demonstration of Sound Effects Deluxe. Sound Effects Deluxe has over 100 sound effects, including all of the sound effects found in the Animals, Human, Music, and Wacky editions of sound effects, plus over 20 more. I've already created some sound effect buttons. Simply tap on them to hear them. Here's a snake, a crowd booing, a harmonica, and a jack-in-the-box. To create a new button, all you have to do is select Sound Effects Deluxe in the main menu.
Sound Effects Deluxe.
Then choose which category you want to create a sound effect from. Let's choose Animals. Then a list of possible sound effects will appear on your pen. Scroll down to the one you want. I'll choose Cow. Click Write, and the pen instructs you to draw a button. Absolutely anything can be your sound effect button. So because I'm not a very good artist, and you don't want to see my cow drawing, I'm just going to write moo in a little sound bubble. And double tap. Now anytime I want to hear that sound, all I have to do is tap the moo button. If I want to play a sound on repeat, all I have to do is hold down on that button. And that's Sound Effects Deluxe.